or feet. I have three sisters. I have one of my sisters are still in the house. She does. I can't find it. I'm gonna press it. Okay. What about you? Okay. Where's the one? Come ahead.